Hi there, it's Josh here, the Class Competition Company. We have a very unique prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1990 Super Ténéré Yamaha, inspired with the Dakar bikes of the day. This one can be won on our website for £1.99, and the draw will take place on the 12th of April 2026, which is Sunday at 10 PM. So this has obviously been fully rebuilt and customised by a specialist over in France called ETIK builders, and he specialises, I think, in restoring and customizing Ténérés. This is the 750 Super Ténéré. So these were iconic Dakar bikes in the day, won lots of competitions, and the previous owner, has designed this in this nice cool white and what would you say, light brown colour scheme, a custom exhaust, brown grips. All material around here has been custom trimmed. We think it looks a bit like an Arctic Explorer, even though they are desert bikes. I think he's gone for that Arctic look with this. It's a very unique machine, really cool with all the black as well, black rims, crash bars. So yeah, I don't think you'll see another one like this. What we'll do now, start her up. Very, very cold today. We have had it going a few times, but haven't started it for probably 40 minutes. We'll see what happens. That's got a choke up here as well, which I'll pull out. That car. It sounds really nice with that exhaust. Give you a little listen. Sounds a bit like a modern motocross bike. Like I said, it's very cold, so I won't rev it too much, but gives you an idea what it sounds like. Really nice to ride as well, lots of power, and it kind of masks its weight, even though it is a big bike. That 750 motor. There we are. So yeah, if you fancy a ticket on this one, you like what you see, it's £1.99. It's the classiccompetitioncompany.com, and the draw will take place on the 12th of April at 10 PM. So if you do enter, good luck, and thank you for your support.